Questions facing our nation. We passed a record number of laws that help uplift the lives of our countrymen. We conducted hearings that unearthed corruption on a scale rarely seen before. And in doing so, we remind the public that accountability is not a mere empty rhetoric, but a duty that we must uphold. Maski na papano, sa ilalim po ng aking panunungkulan at sa pangunguna ni Congressman Rodante Marcoleta, may ilang bagay po tayong nakamit at nagawa. Nakapagsalita na ng buong buo kaninang umaga si Congressman Toby Shanko at nabanggit lahat ng nais niyang sabihin hindi nasabi sa kabilang kamara. Nasabi na rin po, Ginoong Pangulo, ang the name that cannot be mentioned, ang pangalan ni Speaker Martin Romualdez at Congressman Zaldico sa pamamagitan ng paghihiring kanina pong hapon. And as a final act earlier, Mr. President, I signed upon the request of Congressman Marcoleta the contempt order of Assistant District Engineer Bryce Hernandez, putting him under detention already here in the Senate. Mr. President, I am proud of what the Senate has accomplished together, and I trust that the spirit of transparency and courage that have been displayed by this chamber will be sustained. Sana po, mapagpatuloy natin to, that justice and the rule of law be done and followed, though the heavens may fall. Thank you again, Mr. President, and please accept once again my warmest congratulations. Congratulations, Mr. Senate President.
Thank you very much, and we thank the distinguished former Senate President, Senator Jesus Cotero, for his magnanimity and the work that he is, the service that he has given the Senate and the Filipino people. Thank you, Mr. Senator. You have 1 minute suspension.
In upholding the integrity of the Senate and fostering a stronger environment of trust in all our public institutions. This is why I give my wholehearted support to Senator Ping Lacson as Senate President pro tempore. Maraming salamat po, Mr. President.
Thank you, Senator Zubiri.
Mr. President, there being no other nomination, I move to close the period. The Deputy Minority Leader, Senator Risa Ontiveros, is seeking the floor. I move that she be recognized, Mr. President.
Senator Rizal Tiveros is recognized.
Salamat po, Mr. President. With pride and respect, I second the nomination of my late husband's former Chief PNP and my respected colleague in the minority as Senate President pro tempore. Salamat po, Mr. President.
Thank you. Senator Loren Legarda is recognized.
Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, ang tama ay ipaglaban, ang mali ay labanan. These words capture the essence of Senator Panfilo Ping Lacson's public service. They are not mere slogans, but a creed he has lived by in more than 50 years of public service as a police officer, humanitarian, and legislator. On just the 12th session day of this Congress, while many committees were still preparing to organize, Senator Lacson had already pieced together a puzzle long hidden from the public eye. True to his role as the watchdog of the national budget, he examined budget allocations line by line and deployed his team to the ground. This is the work of Senator Lacson, to let truth speak through evidence and prove that integrity is not negotiable. His diligence does not rest on rhetoric, but on facts that cannot be silenced, on unrelenting investigation, and on a discipline that few can match. Time and again, he has shown that his purpose is singular, to confront corruption head-on, to ensure that the Filipino people receive nothing less than clean and honest governance. No one dares question his commitment to his standard, for if there is one word that defines Senator Ping Lacson, it is incorruptible, a proof that one man's integrity and principle can raise the standard for us all. For these reasons, I second the nomination of Senator Panfilo Ping Lacson as Senate President pro tempore. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Legarda.
Mr.
Majority Leader.
President, move for the previous motion that we close the period of nomination, Mr. President.
Any objection? Chair is none. The period of nomination nomination is closed.
Thank you, Mr. President. We congratulate our dear colleague, Senator Panfilo Lacson, as our newly elected Senate President pro tem.
With that, Senator Panfilo Lacson is hereby elected President pro tem of the Senate.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, may we recognize the distinguished lady from Antigua, Senator Lauren Ligarda, for her nomination.
Senator Lauren Ligarda is recognized.
Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, I rise today to nominate Senator Juan Miguel Mix Zubiri as Majority Leader of the Senate. He is a leader who has consistently proven himself to be a consensus builder, a consultative leader, and a legislator whose more than 2 decades of service have been marked by diligence and perfect attendance. At only 39 years of age, during the 14th Congress, he became the youngest to hold the position of Majority Leader. He would once again assume this role during the 17th and 18th Congresses, bringing with him greater depth and wisdom to bridge differences and unify voices to keep this chamber focused on the greater good. The heart of the Senate lies in its legislative mill, the day-to-day turn of bills and resolutions from our committees to the plenary. This is our solemn duty, and Senator Zubiri, our trabajador ng Senado, has proven himself to be a tireless worker, ensuring that this institution delivers on its promise to the Filipino people. In the 19th Congress, we entrusted him with an even greater responsibility as Senate President, where he upheld the independence of this institution, guided debates with impartiality, and protected the integrity of its proceedings. Under his leadership, the Senate of the Filipino people remained firm, fearless, and faithful to its constitutional role. Today, as we once again choose who shall lead us as Majority Leader, we look to one whose record speaks for itself. For these reasons, it is my distinct honor and privilege to nominate Senator Juan Miguel Mix Zubiri as Senate Majority Leader. Thank you.
Senator Risa Ontiveros is recognized.
Salamat po, Mr. President. Again, with pride, I am honored to second the nomination of Senator Zubiri, our former Majority Leader, with whom many of us, including in the old minority, passed a good number of happy meals, and my colleague as well now in the minority. I so second his nomination as Majority Leader. Salamat po, Mr. President.
Thank you, Majority Leader.
Yes, Mr. President, there being no other nominees, Mr. President, I move that we close the period of nomination for the position of the Majority Leader. I so move, Mr. President.
Any objection? Chair hears none. The motion is approved.
Thank you, Mr.
Senator
President.
Mix Zubiri is hereby elected Majority Leader or Chairman of the Committee on Rules.
Thank you, Mr. President. We congratulate our dear colleague, Senator Zubiri, as our newly elected Majority Leader. Mr. President, may I move that we suspend the session to allow our Senate President pro tempore and the Majority Leader to take their respective oaths of office, one after the other. So move, Mr. President.
Thank you, Majority Leader Senator Joel Villanueva, for your service to the Senate.